Growing weeds is easy. Growing an organic garden, on the other hand, takes some intentionality. It's not hard, but you do need to cultivate it. Your spiritual life is very much the same. It takes some intentional cultivation, but the abundant life that Jesus promised, it's available to you. Sustainable spirituality is the guidebook to help you do it. It's an 8-week study and a small group experience that will help you cultivate a sustainable spirituality that produces God's abundance in you and through you. It starts as you deal authentically with who you are and where you're at. Then you learn tools to develop an intimate relationship with God. And you learn to tap into God's resources to love each person with God's love. And finally, you'll gain a vision for how your own restoration contributes to the restoration of all things on earth as it is in heaven. Join us in this new year as we cultivate a sustainable spirituality that'll bear fruit for years to come.